Hi guys. So please practice get some counters or here let me share the screen, putting things into equal groups because we're going to be working on that in the lesson. So here let me share the screen. So I really recommend um there we go. Getting like some cards or some counters because I know there's a lot of confusion today. So cards you're going to be able to get some pretty high amounts. There's I think 52 cards in it deck. So if you do, like some problems like we had today, 16 divided by 2 equals, well, I don't know, some number. So first you have to start with 16. Okay, so that means count out, and it doesn't matter what the cards say, just practice counting with them, okay? So count out 16 cards. One, two, three. You have to be really careful. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. Then once you have your cards counted out, be really careful to count these out. Then you're going to be able to divide. And this one asks us to divide by 2. So that means think about, what if you're playing a game with 2 people, right? This is I don't know, Sue, and this is Sally, right? Okay, so you've got to make sure that, if they have 16 cards and you're trying to divide them equally, you've got to start with 16 and divide it in half, okay? So if you know you have 16 cards, practice either, and I like cards because they're easy to deal out, but you could also use counters, you could use beans, you can use anything you want. But since we've already counted out 16 cards, let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so you've got to make sure if you're dividing them equally, that means dividing them by 2. So you go 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8. Okay. So if I did it right, it should be the same amount, right? Equal amounts in both groups. There should be the same amount in each group because Sue wants to get the same amount as Sally, okay? Because it wouldn't be fair if Sue got like more than Sally. That wouldn't work. So we've got to count the cards. Now, if you've dealt them into 2 groups, count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so if we did it right, there should be the same amount in each group. Okay, so there's 8 in this group. So I'm gonna write an 8 here. So Sue got 8. Let's see how much Sally got. She should have gotten the same amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 and 8. Okay, so that would be kind of like I don't know, we did number bonds, we did fact families, that would work. 16, 2 equal groups, 8 and 8. That means the answer 16 divided by 2 equals, yes, 8. Okay, so practice with some of those problems. I'm going to give you guys some homework to do. Let's try another one and I'll let you solve this. Okay. And try it on your own. Okay. Try the same thing, get um, let's try another one. Again, you can use anything you want here. Like we'll try another problem we did today was we had 18 divided by 2, okay, equals some number. So you're starting with 18. And it needs to go into 2 equal groups. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is make sure you have 18 and you're dividing it equally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so I did it right. I counted out 18 cards. Now it's going to be up to you to put that into 2 groups. Okay, and then you need to tell me how many. Okay, maybe this is Bob. All right, and his friend Jesus, okay? And they need to have the same amount. So you figure out how many goes into each group, okay? You have to divide it by 2, and that's going to be your answer, okay? So just practice around the house, grab some counters, grab some cards, whatever you have around the house, and practice putting them into equal groups because that's all division is, okay, guys? All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.